inspires me personally most is how our customers use Data Plus, because we try to share as much as possible what we are doing with Data Plus and what we are building for ourselves and for customers of ours. And what really inspires me is when we are at a meetup and some of our customers show what they're building with Data Plus, because it goes beyond what we are doing. And I think great results arrive when people come together and share their ideas and build something together. So that's what is really what inspires me the most.
Another highlight is the powerful rule editor of Data Plus. With it, we can make extensive adjustments such as table formatting, REST API integration, and input validation. These features significantly expand the capabilities of our applications and help us provide tailored and precise solutions to our internal customers. An example of this is our ESG reporting. Through dynamic data adjustments and rapid information sharing, we can make our reporting more efficient and respond more quickly to changes. This leads to better coordination and optimized results. Furthermore, we are able to create solutions with Data Plus that would otherwise have required extensive orders from external service providers. This has enabled us to directly implement specific requirements of our internal customers and provide tailored solutions that are perfectly aligned with their needs.
If you like what you saw, just reach out to us. We would love to solve one of your challenges together by building your first Qlik and Data Plus app together.